Okay, now I would like to explain about the new naming strategy so that the PDF that already being generated inside the Google Drive will be so much organized. Okay, first of all, we are going to click this one, add virtual column. Okay, I already did that one, which is uh, name as follows, new ID. And then this new ID consists of this command, which is we are going to use the functions of concatenate. We include the assessor and then followed by this function to separate and create a folder, followed by the row number plus one as one of the idea to increase the number based on the position of each created PDF. Okay, so that we are going to save it, and then inside the board, remember to change all the things into the following item, which is we are going to use the new ID. Okay, and then same also goes to this PDF. We are going to concatenate using this new ID also. So what will happen after we perform all of these changes? When we try to insert new data, for example, okay, this is new data based on the name of following officer. Okay, when we hit the save button, newly created folder are going to be generated automatically together with the number, the running number. Okay, this is the example. We are going to open the drive. Uh, if you can see over here, we got this folder. Okay, this is the newly created one. Okay, so same also goes to the another assessor. Likewise, if we create a new assessor over here, then we just insert a dummy data over there, and then we are going to save everything. Then a new folder also are going to be generated based on that name. So by using this method, we simply can follow the order list of each of the document, and then we can also have a look into each of the modified data. Okay, so this is the example. Alright, hopefully it is very useful for naming convention, so that easily for you to retrieve the appropriate PDF that already being generated based on each of the assessor. Okay, thank you. Bye.